Hey carpet cleaners, John here, and in this video I want to walk you through exactly how to turn more of those leads and inquiries that you've got coming in into actual jobs on the schedule so that you're not leaving money on the table. If you've never heard of me, my name's John Williams and I run a company called AGB, and we specialize in getting carpet cleaning businesses like yours booked out with jobs. We're working with hundreds of carpet cleaners worldwide, generating them anything between $10,000 to $20,000 in new business every month on repeat. And in the last 12 months alone, we've spent over $2 million on paid advertising carpet cleaning businesses like yours. So we really know what converts and how to get carpet cleaning businesses completely booked out with jobs. And the purpose of this channel is to really share with you guys some free value, to share with you exactly what we've learned on our journey in the hope that it will help you scale, grow, and get more jobs for your carpet cleaning business too. So let's dive in. In this video, like I said, I want to touch on actually converting the leads and inquiries that you might be generating, how to convert more of them into actual jobs. In the first video, we covered how to put together a highly converting special offer that people actually want in your area. If you haven't seen that video, do go and check it out on the page. Your offer is really the backbone, and it's the backbone of really any business, carpet cleaning business or not. So it's really important that you understand your market, you understand what they want, what they're looking for, and that you put something together around that. So go check that video out. The second video, I showed you how to put some basic advertising together on Facebook to actually get some jobs coming through the door. Again, if you haven't watched that video, do go check it out. It's awesome. And so in this video, like I say, I really kind of want to take that next step now. So you've got your offer, you've got some ads up and running, you've got some inquiries coming through, people are messaging you on Messenger. Hey, how much is 4 rooms and a hallway? How much is 6 rooms? Can you come on Tuesday? Can you do upholstery? Can you do a love seat, 2-seat sofa? Hopefully you've got some inquiries coming through just like that. And so what I want to do in this video is just run you through like the steps to actually turning those inquiries, turning those leads into actual jobs. The number one thing, the absolute key thing is following up quickly. The quicker you follow up, the more chance you're going to have of actually turning that lead into an actual job on your schedule. If you take a day, 2 days to get back to somebody, in that time they will have lost interest and probably Googled a carpet cleaner in your town, called them up and scheduled with somebody else, and you would have lost that opportunity. At that moment, when they clicked your ad and they came into Messenger or wherever, I mean, this isn't just about, Facebook ads or anything, this is about any kind of marketing or advertising you're doing to promote your carpet cleaning business. The moment that person becomes a lead from whichever channel they've been generated from, the moment they become a lead, that's the time when they're at their highest level of intent. Okay, that's when they're at their most interested to schedule with you. Every minute, every hour, every second that goes by where you haven't followed up with them, that interest is going down, and your chance of actually turning that person into an actual job is becoming less likely. So the minute that lead comes in, the quicker you follow up, the better. If you can get to them instantly or within the first 5 to 10 minutes, ideally, you're going to have a better chance of actually turning that person into an actual job. So that's kind of like the first thing. And this is why with our program that we do, that we're working with carpet cleaners one-on-one, why we send people into Messenger, because we know you're going to be out in the field potentially, you might be out on the road a lot of the time, and the last thing you want to do is like be given like a spreadsheet with 100 leads on it and have to sit there and manually follow up, having been out in the field all day, right? And like I say, follow-up time is really important. So we want to make it as easy and convenient and quick for you to follow up as humanly possible. And that's the great thing about Facebook, that's the great thing about Messenger campaigns, because they come through on your cell phone in Messenger, and you could be, finishing up at a job, your phone goes off, somebody wants an inquiry, and you could just message them right there and then instantly and get back to them, give them a price and get them scheduled in. So number one, follow up quickly. Number two is your approach, what you say, how you say it. And so again, I'm going to talk about Messenger here a bit and Facebook advertising, but this really applies you can take these principles and really apply them to kind of like anywhere where your jobs are coming in from. So somebody's messaged and they've said, hey, I'm interested in 4 rooms and a hallway. What you need to do is you're effectively selling at this point. You're effectively looking to close that deal, right? So somebody's come in with a quote request. Let's imagine the person's Linda. Hey Linda, good morning to you. Maybe you drop like a little emoji or a GIF, something like that's going to make them laugh, like good morning, maybe some like cute cat or whatever it is, something that's going to get them smiling, immediately kind of provoke their emotions somewhat. And then you say, hey Linda, like absolutely, we'd love to come. And again, coming from that you want to come across and be nice, do you know what I mean? Not aggressive, not standoffish. Hey Linda, we'd love the opportunity to come and clean your carpets. I can do the 4 rooms in a hallway for just X dollars. That's with a special discount applied, which ends at the end of this week. So you're giving that scarcity, you're creating that fear of missing out, right? Maybe there is no special and it's, nothing is ending at the end of the week, but you're creating that psychological thing of like, oh wow, that this person's being made to feel special and they're getting a little discount or whatever. And then you say, not would you like to schedule, assume the sale. When would you like to schedule? I've got Wednesday at 4 p.m. I'll get you booked in for that if you like. So assume the sale. Don't ask if they'd like to schedule, ask when would you like to schedule. And really that's basically like the 3 key principles to it. Number 1, follow up quickly. Number 2, try to like break the ice and create some kind of emotion. Create that kind of feel good vibe, whether that's on the phone, whether that's via email, whether that's via messenger. Hey Linda, hope you're having an awesome day. We'd absolutely love the opportunity to come and clean your carpets and freshen up your home. I'm sure your family would love it too. We've got an awesome special on right now. It ends Friday, but if we get you booked in now, do you know what I mean? Like we can get you in on that special. Make them feel like a special customer. If you do that, you follow up quickly, your chance of closing them, chance of getting them scheduled in, it's going to go through the roof. And remember, you're the business owner. You can play around with this a little bit. You can say, hey, like absolutely. And Linda, hey, listen, because it's Thanksgiving on Friday, here's what I'll do as well. Like if you've got like a little landing, we can do that. Or I can throw in a little odor treatment as well, just for you. Again, like little things that you can do that makes that customer feel special, bearing in mind that if you do book that job and you do a great job and you do over deliver on your service, this person will become a lifetime customer of yours. And even though maybe to like close that deal, you gave away like a little odor treatment on a rug or on one of the little landings that she booked free of charge. If she then books you again and again and again and becomes a lifetime customer, the value of that particular customer far outweighs the little freebie that you gave away to kind of sweeten the deal. And then if she's then telling her friends and family about you, this one particular lead that you've converted by sweetening the deal or whatever, it could be worth thousands and thousands of dollars for you over the next couple of years. So yeah, follow up quick, make them feel super special, create some scarcity, sweeten the deal if you can, but just kind of make them aware that, look, I'm gonna, I can do this at a special, but I'm ending this discount at the end of this week. Or if you are serious and you want to book in, I can throw this in, but if we can get you scheduled in now, create that vibe, follow up quickly. I know I'm repeating myself, and you should repeat this and drum it into your head at all times. Follow up quickly, follow up quickly, follow up quickly, and you'll get them booked in. It's really that simple. It's about approaching it right, assuming the sale. When would you like to schedule? Not would you like to schedule. If you follow these basic steps, what you'll see is you should definitely see an increase in leads turning into actual jobs. I hope that this was valuable to you. Do remember to hit the subscribe button so that you can be notified when we bring out the next video, which is every couple of days typically. Every week I'm going to be putting out content, like I say, to help you grow, scale, take your carpet cleaning business to the next level. See you on the next one, guys. Peace.